स्वरूपेण व्यवस्थितिः।
Discarding all the various names and forms of oneself and remaining steadfast in one's real being is liberation.
Where have I landed up? Seems like some drama is being performed here. Too bad for me. What would these destitutes have except for some old clothes that I can steal? Let me ask him. He might be able to help me. Namaskar, friend.
Namaskar.
I am a thief, sir. Truthful thief.
Truthful thief?
Well, I do tell the truth if I am caught. Can you tell me of some place from where I can steal?
Then try your luck at Merchant Kotikarn's residence.
Merchant Kotikarn? Is he a wealthy person?
Wealthy? His ear studs alone are worth 10 million rupees, and that is why he is known as Kotikarn.
Thank you, friend. Now we shall never meet again.
Will that thief be able to steal Kotikarn's wealth? Or will he himself get robbed by Kotikarn? What do I hear? What sort of business deal is Kotikarn trying to pull off?
Merchant, I cannot sell this cart. My forefathers had it, built for public welfare. Anyone can anchor his boat here.
Ferryman! I want this cart. Tell me your price.
My lord, I cannot sell this cart.
I'll cover the entire length of your cart with silver coins, Ferryman.
My lord, this cart cannot be sold.
Ferryman, I'll cover the entire length of your cart completely with gold coins. Accountant, take this cart into our possession. Is anyone needy around here? He may beg now. Is anyone needy here?
Salutations, merchant.
If you consider yourself worthy of sitting before me, then you may sit, merchant.
You must have heard that my ships carrying valuable articles were looted.
Yes, so?
I need some money from you.
What can you mortgage?
What is left for me to mortgage, merchant?
This ring.
This is my family's honor. This is my family's seal, merchant.
Can you mortgage your family's honor? Accountant, take Merchant Dhananjay's ring from him and give him whatever he wants. I shall not make any deal with him today. Merchant Dhananjay, remember, once I told you, someday I'll buy you. If there is any needy, he may ask. Is there any sannyasi around?
A sannyasi is here.
Tell me, sannyasi, what shall I give you?
What can you give to a sannyasi after all, merchant?
You just ask and see.
My hunger is satiated even with the roots of trees, merchant. But if you can give, you may give your ego.
Ego is not some commodity, sannyasi, that I can give you. Ask something else. Gold, silver, money, clothes, food, anything.
Gold, silver, or sovereignty are easy to give away. But ego is difficult to part with. Know yourself. Understand yourself. You are not what you seem to be. And what you actually are. You do not wish to see that. Know yourself. Understand yourself. Hari Om Tat Sat. Hari Om Tat Sat. Hari Om Tat Sat.
If you can give me, you may give me your ego. Ego? It's easy to give away silver, gold, kingdom. Huh. So then, is renunciation most difficult? That sannyasi had no value for my vast empire. Why do I feel so small before that lowly sannyasi today? I am not what I appear to be. So then, who am I? Who I am? I shall find an answer to this very question. What is going on here?
My lord, he had come here to steal.
Release him and leave now.
Salutations. I shall not forget you all my life.
What is your name?
Satyavadi. If I get caught, I tell the truth.
Will you do something for me? Take whatever you wish in return.
Thief! 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 Thief!
What is this?
How did this bundle get here?
This contains rice?
Yes.
Kartyani, this ring. This is my family ring.
Yes. This is the same ring that you had given to the nasty man.
Kartyani, keep it safely. I shall go and give it to merchant Koti Karan first thing in the morning.
Why? Why must you return it to him?
Because it is he who returned it.
That's good. If he were that generous, he would have returned it directly. He has never helped or shown any compassion so far.
One may find 1,000 excuses to persuade one's conscience. But destiny. Merchant Dhananjay passed away that very night before he could return the ring. However, the owner of tremendous wealth, Koti Karn, donated all that he had and then took to the path of renunciation.
I have seen you somewhere before.
You might have. I used to live in this town years ago.
Merchant Koti Karn.
This body does not have that name anymore. I do not know that body any longer. A great mansion used to belong to that body. The whole world belongs to this one. That body used to see everyone as separate. Now this body sees himself in everyone. He wished to conquer the world. Now I wish to conquer myself. I used to give alms then. Now I seek alms.
You are returning after years.
Perhaps.
And the news of Sannyasi Kotikarn's return to town spread like wildfire. And thousands of people started gathering to see monk Kotikarn. At one time, the man who stood at one place giving alms is going door to door begging for alms.
Oh, please give me alms.
Merchant Kotikarn, I shall fetch you alms right away, monk.
Liberation is the ultimate goal, the highest endeavor. Freedom from sorrows is your right. Freedom from bondage is your right. Freedom from attachment is your right. After righteousness, material prosperity, and worldly pleasures, liberation is your right. Liberation is the ultimate pursuit of this life. That is why I say, outwardly what you appear to be, you are not that. Getting to know one's real self, that itself is liberation. So what are you? You are immortal. The one who realizes that he is not his body becomes free from the cycle of birth and death. You are unborn. You are immortal. So you always wish to create something which never perishes. You are limitless, infinite. That is why you wish to touch the sky. You wish to conquer mountains. You wish to create something flawless because you are without flaws. As long as you are merely this body, you are limited. As soon as you begin to realize your real self, you become formless, changeless, beginningless, endless, and eternal. Therefore, become the master of your mind and senses and not their slave. Freedom from the slavery of senses. That is liberation. Do not ask for joy. Become the master of joy. That is liberation. It is a paradox. The one who himself is existence, consciousness, bliss is searching for joy outside.
Krishna Govinda Hare Murari He Nath Narayana Vasudeva Bhasvamritaveta Govinda Damodar Madhave.
Some saint is giving a discourse here. It's a good opportunity. Let me join them.
तदेव गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव जिह्वे पिबस्वामृतमेतदेव गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव जिह्वे पिबस्वामृतमेतदेव गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति
Shri Krishna Govind Hare Murare He Nath Narayana Vasudeva He Nath Narayana Vasudeva Shri Krishna Govind Hare Murare He Nath Narayana Vasudeva.
Satyavadi, the king's soldiers have left.
Do you know me?
What you appear to be, you're not really that. The entire endeavor is to know oneself.
Merchant Kotikarn.
See? You lost. Remember? You had promised to rob me. Now you won't be able to rob me.
Pardon me, my lord. There was no other way to save myself, so...
So do me one more favor today. But today take the path which is the right one.
Who is here so late in the night, brother?
I am a thief, mother.
Then why are you knocking at my door?
I have come to return this.
I have cut off all ties now. With the past, with the experiences of the past, with joys and sorrows, with fear of the future. This is of no use to me now. You may take it if it's beneficial to you. You are a thief after all.
Shri Krishna Govind Hare Murare He Nath Narayana Vasudeva Jivhe Pibaswamritamekadeva Govind Damodar Madhaveti Govind Damodar Madhaveti.
I don't understand. What is it to gain? Kotikarn gave up his everything. And what did he gain after giving up everything? Why is that old lady not attached to this ring anymore? Which tie was she talking about severing? What is it? Which is greater than joy, wealth, glory, prosperity, and power? What is it to be gained for which Kotikarn changed his way of life? I shall obtain it from Kotikarn. I shall rob him. I shall certainly succeed. Respected merchant Kotikarn! Sannyasi Kotikarn! I have not given up, my lord. I shall certainly obtain what you have. I shall keep on following you until I gain it, my lord.
Kotikan's liberation from his ego and from his slavery to his senses. Kartyani's liberation from her attachments and desire for happiness. Thief Satyavadi's liberation from ignorance. Is that what liberation is all about?
यस्य प्रसादात् भवमङ्गलार्था प्रसूत गङ्गोपनिषत्